Hi guys, today I'm really excited because I've got a bunch of new toys and I wanted to share with you what I've got. So first off, here we go. This is the FrSky R9 module, and I've got the R9 mini receiver with the antenna, and then the R9 unit itself with the T antenna, which is really awesome. So I was thinking, because I'm getting a lot of issue with this guy recently, the my beloved ET115 started to give me range problem especially. So I was thinking I'm going to replace the receiver here with the R9 mini and see if everything works, and see if I can get it to work. So that should help getting a much better range, and if it works fine, I will probably put it on some other quad as well. Next, I've got finally the Mobula 7 HD. I was waiting for this bad boy since quite a long time. I finally arrived and I haven't opened it yet, so I look forward to open it, fly it, and give it a try. Here it is. Oh, it's quite much heavier than the regular Mobula 7, so well, I guess that was to be expected. So stay tuned for more videos about this guy. And lastly, I got this bad boy right here, the Emacs Buzz. This is my first bind and fly 5-inch quad. I am very excited about this. Here it is. It's awesome. It looks beautiful. I already bind it, but I haven't flown it yet because I need to. Unfortunately, when I leave, there aren't many places where I can go and fly one of these, so I'm gonna have to take the car and go maybe somewhere in the countryside, but I look forward to fly it. I can't wait to try this out. I'm super excited about this. Okay, so this was just a quick video. I just wanted to share my latest purchase with you guys. I'm very excited. I can't wait to try all of these. And I think the first thing I'm gonna do is to try out the R9, because there's a little bit of a process that I have to go through. Maybe I will record a video, I don't know about it. I will see if I can get it to work first try or not. And yeah, I mean, that was about it. Stay tuned for more exciting videos, and thank you for watching.